Okay, so you got your practice problems. I'm going to explain number one because I probably have confused you if you've never done this before. For each one of these, you got to make two different graphs, okay? This is show how an increase in Mexican demand for Chinese exports would affect the market for the yuan. Caroline Shattuck, how are you?
Good.
You want to say hi to my students?
I don't know.
Surprise appearance. Brady, you want to say hi?
No.
Okay. Here we go. Kids in the background. But you make two graphs, all right? One for the peso, one for the yen. I don't know how to say it. I know how to write it, though. So this one is my peso graph, and this one is my yuan graph, okay? That means I've got over here yuan over peso because the quantity of peso, bottom on the bottom. In terms of peso, peso on the bottom. Peso, peso. Peso is a title. Peso on the bottom. Then it's yuan over peso. All right? Now we're going to do the reverse here. All right? If it's yuan, then we're going to do quantity of yuan. And I got little fingers here in the way. No, Brady. Quantity of yuan. And so if yuan's on the bottom, then over here it's going to be yuan on the bottom. And that means peso goes on the top. Okay, remember, if it's on the bottom, over here it's on the bottom. So peso goes on the bottom, goes on the bottom. Yuan goes on the bottom, goes on the bottom. See the bottom of that equation? All right? I'm going to draw a supply for one and a demand for one. And it's a little bit squiggly because Sweet Caroline hit my hand while I was writing it. Thank you, Caroline. Not really. Okay. We got our two graphs, of course, to correctly label the graph. Got the quantity. Over here, we got the equilibrium price. Over here, we got the equilibrium price. And quantity. Can y'all hold it just a minute? I'm almost done. So bottom goes on the bottom. We've got everything labeled. We're halfway there. We read the question. We realize that first